Hello everyone, welcome back in ITC again. I am Manoj. Today I am again come back with a new topic called page break. So start it. Topic to be covered. What is page break? Types of page break. Inserting or adding a page break. Deleting a page break. Moving a page break. Returning to a normal view. View and their hands-on. Page break, like a road divider that divides the road into multiple lanes. A page break divides the worksheet into individual pages for printing. Excel provides the facility to adjust the page breaks in the worksheet automatically or manually before printing it. Excel insert page breaks automatically according to the paper size, margins, and scaling option. This helps to print a worksheet with the exact number of pages that you want. Page breaks are soft markers inserted in a worksheet to specify where a new page will begin in the printed copy. By default, when you print your worksheet, Excel will print as long as there is space on a page, and once the page is filled, the next page will start printing. Insert automatic page breaks based on page filling. However, this way of default printing, which is based on filling of pages, may not be suitable to your needs. For example, it may happen that the heading of the section of your data get printed at the bottom of a page and its data is printed on the next page. To avoid this kind of situation, you can add manual page breaks in worksheets. A page breaks or a manual page break is an invisible marker in a worksheets which forces the printing page has not been printed fully. In a simple language, when you want to get printout of a work document in Excel, so you get it in a 2 or 4 pages, but you want to get in a 1 page or whatever you want. Types of page break. There are two types of page break. One is a horizontal page break and second is a vertical page break. Horizontal page break divides the worksheet on the basis of rows. There is a vertical page breaks divide the worksheet on the basis of selecting rows break creates a page break above the selected cell. Selecting column breaks create a page break to the left of the selected cell. To see the page break preview, open a worksheet in which you want to insert page break. Click on the View tab, go to the page break preview, and you can see here the preview of page break. You can easily view the location of page breaks in your worksheet. The worksheet display both type of page break, that is automatic as well as manual. You can differentiate between these two type of page breaks by looking at the page break line pattern. Automatic page breaks are depicted by dashed pattern, whereas manual page breaks are depicted by solid line pattern. You can see here the dashed and solid line. So this is the your page break preview. You can see the screen page 1 and page 2. For the better understanding, go to the file. Now click on the print and you can see the print here. This is a page 1 and page 2. Page 1, page 2 means when you get the printout of this document, you get 2 pages. One printed in a 1 page, second page is this portion of come in a second page. So page 1 and page 2. If you want to insert a page break in your document, there are two options. One is a go through with the shortcut menu, and second one is through the page layout tab. So if you want, there's a we have read about there's a two type of page break. One is a horizontal and second one is a vertical. To add a horizontal page break, select the row. Select the row where the making line will appear. Right click on it and select the insert break options from shortcut menu, and you can see the here is a page break. Click. So now there's a page break. You can see. To add vertical page break, select the column to right where you want to insert the page break. Right click on it and select the insert tab, insert page break options from the shortcut menu. Similar way, and you can see this is the vertical page break and this one is a horizontal page break. Now I want to insert a manual page break. For insert a manual page break, you have to select the one cell where you want to see the data in the next page. So I select the 7 here. I want to see this portion this from above the 7 in one page, and from the 7 is the second page. So now go to the page layout and select the break, and you can see here is a three option there. One is the insert page break, remove page break, and reset all page breaks. Just click on the insert page break and you can see here the page break is a one. You can see the line here. Now it's clear. This is a one and this is the second. For better understanding, go to the file and click on the print. Now you can see it's the one page. This is the second, this is one third, and this one fourth. Now if you want to the set page break, go to the view tab, click on the page break preview, and just now it's moved from here, and now you can see the page 1 and page 2. Means from the 4 page it's come in a 2 page 1 and page 2. Now again go to the page file, click on the print, and now see the output, the page 1 and page 2. You can see the whole data: roll number, name, Hindi, English, math, science, SST, computer, and the total is the page 1. And from the 7 it's a one page, and now this data is a second page. For the deleting the page break from the document, you have to select the page layout again, the manual, and go to the again break and just click on the remove page break, and you can see all page break that is here it's goes. And third option is a click on the break and reset all page breaks, means whatever setting you have. So now to deleting a page break in a shortcut method, in a similar way, you just click on the where you insert the page break, just right click on it and go to the remove page break. You can see the options here, remove page break, and this is the horizontal page break remove. Just click on the page remove page break, and you can see the page break is removed, page 1 and page 2. Now is a vertical page break. Just click on this one and select the column, right click and go to the remove page break, and you can see the remove the page break, and it comes in of page 1 only. You can see the page 1 is here, and for For better understanding, you go to the file and just click on the print, and you can see all data in a one page. To moving a page break, you have to understand the page break preview first. Just go to the view tab and click on the page break preview, and you can see the page 1 and page 2 here. And I want to set the manually. This one is, I just drag it in a this side, but it's not work. You can see I just click, it's nothing happen here. So for this setting, for moving the page break, you have to click on the file, go to the options, and now you can see the page here. Go to the advanced options, and you can see the enable fill handle and cell drag and drop. Just click on it and click OK. Now come this one, and you can see I just drag it this side, and it's become a page 1. And now you can see in the print, this is the one page, all data in the one page. So this is called the moving page break. It's a manual. When you move automatic page break, it gets changed into a manual one. That is the moving a page break. Now you want to get back in a normal view, go to the normal view, and it's get back in a original form. So in this way, you comes in a normal view. For the view, worksheet views refers to different ways it shows a worksheet, emphasizing on different aspect of a worksheet. For example, page break view shows you how many page would your worksheet print. Normal, first one, it is the view, the default editing. You normally use this view for building and editing worksheets. So click on the view and just go to the normal, and it's default, it's normal. So this is the called a normal view. Second one is a, you can see the second one here. The second one is a this. So page break preview. Now click on it, and you can see there's a page break preview. It display the page break in a worksheet. It display the page breaks in a worksheet as blue lines and shows only the data part and grays out the blank option of the worksheet. Second one is a page break preview. It displays the page break in a worksheet as blue lines and shows only the data part and grays out the blank options of the worksheet. So this is the page break preview, page 1 and page 2. And this line is divided it. So you can see the how many page you get after the print it out. And this is called page break preview. I hope you are enjoying the video. Thank you for watching the video. For more updates, stay tuned with us. If you like the video, subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to press the bell icon.